Hello everyone, today I'll be making this cute phone charm. I first begin by making the shape of the duck. I do this by rolling my finger over the clay to make the neck. Here I use a chopstick to further roll out the clay, but it is not necessary. I then try shaping the head of the duck. I squeeze a little clay at the rear to make the tail. I cut some orange clay into a small rectangle for the mouth. I also take 2 small pieces of black clay for the eyes. I glue all this in place with PVA glue or white glue. I roll some orange clay and cut 2 equal pieces for the legs. I make the web feet by rolling the clay 3/4 down and squeezing flat the 1/4 portion for the feet. I use the silicone tool to add details. I make indents in the body of the duck before gluing on the legs. I further add in more details with the silicone tool. For the hat, I cut a small circle, which I then place over the round ball tool to shape the dome of the hat. I then stick the dome to the bigger circle before sticking on the hat to the duck's head. I make a strip of blue clay for the ribbon on the hat. I glue all this in place. I then roll out some green clay for the stalk and use a mold to make the flower. I cut the extra off with a cutting tool. I finally make the wings by cutting 2 oblong shapes from the clay. I then stick them onto the duck while adjusting them to hold the flower. That was the end of the video. I do hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot.